Life's a roller coaster, full of moving scenes. Some fill me with fear, others spark my dreams. Pieces of my story spin and play their sound, different for everyone. That's where beauty's found. It starts in childhood, rolling marbles in the sun, landing in her lap like fate has just begun. It echoes deep within, soft and unconfessed. A boy turns into a man, slowly, quietly blessed. Pictures keep on flashing, carving out a smile. Each one lasts a second, stays for quite a while. I don't know why I see them, or where this moment's from. A trick of my mind, or is a message coming home? An open door appears, I rest still in my bed. A distance that feels vast, a thought I quietly tread. Something flows between us, I can't tell what it means. Only a river rolling through silent silver dreams. Soul filters out the noise, fragments and the toll. There will be no more memories, just one message left to send. Farewell, my friends.